Good morning, it's Emily from Scribbles from Emily. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about motherhood, all things home, and lifestyle. And today I thought, since it's a gorgeous Friday morning, I would do a bit of cleaning and fall decorating and take you along. Are you gonna help me clean, Bennett? Yeah. For today's video, I'm taking part in the DIY Mommy's Fall DIY and Decor Challenge. So check out the playlist I've linked in the description below to see all the other videos and find even more fall decor inspiration. No matter how much of a disaster the house is, I always feel better once the dishes are done and the counters are clear. Things tend to pile up and just collect in here. But if the sink is empty and clean, everything else just feels way more manageable. Start cleaning in the kitchen for that reason. I did a little decluttering as I went along because our utensil holder was so full it was hard to pull anything out. I also went through our measuring cups and spoons and I pulled out any sets that were broken or missing pieces, and I donated them to the boys' play food and cooking toys. A note about my vacuum. I wanted to mention it because I love it. It's amazing on hardwood and carpet. It comes apart in multiple different configurations to get under furniture, go up the stairs. Plus, it has this excellent attachment for pet hair on furniture, and I love to use that on our couch. So I'll include a link in the description down below. It's amazing what gets lost under the couch. What's the craziest thing that you found under or inside your couch? If you've got any great stories, I'd love to hear them.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
It's coming out.
Yeah, I'll fix it.
Mommy, I can eat the lemon candy very easily. So yummy.
Day 2. Here's a tip. Start your laundry first, and then while you're cleaning, you can always switch it over and keep it going. Office is our disaster zone. Before Bennett's birthday party, I just hid everything in here. So we've got art, stuff to take back to IKEA, stuff to donate or sell, just lots of random stuff that needs to be dealt with. For the fun part, have you guys heard of Hygge? I'm definitely saying that wrong, but it's a Danish word for, quote, a mood of coziness and comfortable conviviality with feelings of wellness and contentment. It's blown up as an interior decor trend in the last few years, and for good reason, because that we all want coziness and conviviality and contentment at home.
A leaf. A leaf.
A leaf.
A leaf. A leaf. A leaf.
My favorite ones.
A leaf.
And I have a tutorial on the blog for making these.
A leaf.
Another leaf. Do I smell some candles? Picking your nose?
Yeah.
So here's a few quick ways to incorporate some hygge. First, add texture, like plenty of cozy blankets, pillows, and seating. Candles are a huge part of the trend, so indulge in your favorite fall scents and those sales at Bath & Body Works. You gotta stock up when those go on sale. Hygge is much more than just decor though. It's also slowing down, savoring time together, and feeling grateful. You can do this by decorating together as a family, having a family game night, or doing some baking together. Once we're done decorating, I'm going to get hygge and indulge in one of my favorite fall traditions while drinking some hot tea in my favorite mug, wearing some of my favorite cozy socks, and cuddling under a cozy blanket. Fall decluttering and decorating definitely helps me reset and make the most of the rest of the year. It's kind of the perfect time to clear out what's not serving us and welcome in all that's cozy and good. So if you're looking for a place to start, might I suggest my own decluttering guide. I think it's incredibly helpful as a place to begin, or you can use it in combination with the life-changing magic of tidying up. The PDF guides you through your whole house, and it also includes decluttering your digital life, like emails, your phone, social media, and also your very soul, dealing with stuff like unforgiveness, toxic relationships, and all that other gunk that doesn't spark joy. So I'll put a link for downloading the free Declutter Your Life guide in the description below, so you can definitely grab that. So what did you think? Are you as excited for fall decorating as I am? Let me know in the comments down below. I may go out and do some more thrifting for a few more fall decor pieces. Let me know in the comments below if you would be interested in seeing that. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and give this a thumbs up. Thanks so much for being here. We'll see you next time.